I asked for the name of the hospital. Up to now, they have not given us the name of the hospital. So we took the position that he could have been brought here directly, and we are told that there is no President Duterte inside the facility. We are at a loss at this time, and lokohan na to. I think this is part of their grand plan, no? To kidnap the president, to extract the president from the Philippines, and brought to a jet without known destination. I was even forced to join that plane without any valid visa coming here.
And Duterte inside?
They
Who
are
said?
they're telling me that there is no Rodrigo R. Duterte inside this facility.
Okay.
But
You require...
sinakay siya sa ambulance, binigay lang namin yung mga records yun sa kanya, and sabi he will be well taken care of.
Right.
And we will be informed immediately of the name of the hospital. But hanggang ngayon, nakakalungkot at ganito ginagawa nila.
So, Sec, what's the next